Congratulations on taking this important step towards reclaiming your health and mobility. We are thrilled to guide you on how to effectively utilize rapid release therapy to optimize your well-being. The treatment cap at the end of the device is the perfect starting point, as its vibrations align parallel to the skin's surface, providing a gentle introduction to this remarkable technology. From there, you can gradually work your way up to the more aggressive peripheral tips, which are designed to penetrate deeper into the soft tissues to release tightness and restrictions. The large, general-purpose head is a versatile tool that can be used for a wide range of applications. Its high-energy output allows for deep tissue penetration with minimal pressure, delivering outstanding results. For more sensitive or bony areas, such as elbows, wrists, knees, and knuckles, the soft tip is specifically designed to provide comfort and targeted relief. The AcuPoint treatment tip is a true game changer, as it allows you to target specific acupressure points, dry needling locations, and trigger points with pinpoint precision. This feature is invaluable for addressing tight areas, facilitating cross-fiber friction, and reaching muscle endpoints. When using rapid release therapy, it's important to work both across and along the muscle fibers, paying special attention to the muscle endpoints. This holistic approach helps to loosen up soft tissue, improve circulation, and promote optimal muscle function. We're confident that with the right guidance and proper utilization of rapid release therapy, you'll experience remarkable improvements in your overall health and mobility. Let's work together to unlock the full potential of this cutting-edge technology and help you reclaim your active, vibrant lifestyle.